I just wanted to come in and give you guys another product review. You guys like the rice cooker, so this is the Cosori air fryer. This is a 9-in-1 air fryer. As you can see, it has a ton of options on here, including air fry. I'll show you the little booklet that shows you kind of how to break them down in a second, but this thing is just absolutely incredible. It is fast. It goes up to 450 degrees. There's the main baking tray, but here is the crisper, as they call it. It has these little silicone knobs too, which keeps it elevated, which is really nice, so it stays off the ground and it helps you circulate that air, which is really good. The price on this thing is also fantastic. I'm going to cook up these little square, kind of like jalapeno mozzarella poppers. It says on the box to preheat, so we're going to use the preheat setting. It says to do it for 2 minutes. It will run for 4 minutes, but I'm going to now just pop these in after 2 minutes. One thing to make sure of is as you're putting them in, as you have preheated it, it is hot, so make sure you're not touching the metal surroundings, but we're going to pop this in. In the toaster oven, you would have had to cook it for like 5 minutes, flip it, do all that. You don't need to do that here. We're just going to hit air fry. I'm going to pick the temperature. Then on the other side, you could drop that time down. We're only going to do 7 minutes. It says 7 to 8. 7 was absolutely perfect. And we're going to let this run. You can see here, it is decently loud. It's kind of like a fan, but you're not running it for a large amount of time, so that doesn't bother me. Air fryers are not going to be silent, so just know that. Here is the booklet that shows a little more about all the different times and modes and what temperatures they'll do and how long they'll cook for. I'm mainly going to use this to air fry, but you have a lot of other options. It also, in the last minute, will count down for you, which is fantastic. You know exactly how much time you have left. And then right as you hit the end, it will play a nice little chime sound for you. Here's the last 4 seconds. You don't need to stop it. It will stop itself after 2 or 3 beeps. I went to try to hit the button there and stop it, but it does it itself. Now let's take a look at them. They are so perfectly cooked. I mean, like deep fryer level. I knocked the air fry for years, but this thing is really good. They split open a little bit, which is totally fine. They would do that in a deep fryer or the toaster oven anyway. But these are just like, the crispiness level is perfect. It's hard to imagine. The insides here, you can tell, are perfectly cooked. They don't look that way because they're frozen products, but trust me, they're piping hot and melty. Here's some jalapeno poppers I also made shortly after. They're perfect. These didn't really split. They popped out a little bit, but they are so well cooked. Listen to how crispy they are. It's hard to do with one hand, but trust me. So crispy. A little bit drips into the bottom, but since this is like Teflon or whatever the material is, it's going to be super easy to clean. This, I knocked air fryers for years. This thing is fantastic. Trust me. Strongly recommend this Cosori 9-in-1 air fryer. I love it.